Hi, welcome to the channel. December's finally here. It's that time of year. Christmas is just around the corner. If you like Christmas and you like Scotch eggs, stick around guys, because this is going to be awesome. Let's get to it. What? That's better. What we've got is a kilo of sausage meat and a kilo of turkey mince. We've got some cranberries and we've also got some already cooked roasted chestnuts. We're going to add them to the mince and we're going to make some awesome Scotch eggs. But also what we're going to be doing is we're going to be splitting this mince because it's going to be too much for what we need for this cook. We're also going to incorporate that into another video where we're going to do some awesome Christmas style burgers, and you're going to want to see that. That's up and coming. We've also got some nice chestnut and cranberry stuffing mix. We chose this instead of breadcrumbs to make it more Christmassy. Let's get to it. Okay, so we're gonna add sausage meat purely because everyone knows turkey's a bit bland, right? What we're gonna do is add the sausage meat to incorporate that extra flavour. I got this from my local butchers, Aldington Fresh Foods. I always like to give them a shout out. They've got some awesome products. So just go and check them out, guys. So we're not gonna season this mix at all. I mean, if you're going to add salt to this, it will take all the juiciness out of the turkey, and we don't want dry turkey, right? Who likes dry turkey? Just going to mix it all together. It's just like the Spice Girls song, when two become one. Right, there you go. That's what you want. So it's going to be about a ½ kilo mix to make up the Scotch eggs.
More cranberries.
Okay, we're going to add some more cranberries. What do you reckon?
Yeah, that's about right.
So we just want to roughly chop them up. Doesn't have to be too fine. You want it, when you take that bite, you really want to get a nice hit from that. So now we just chop up these roasted chestnuts. As I say, you can roast your own chestnuts, but we've cheated. These taste just as good, and they're not that expensive, to be fair. So this is definitely what's going to make these festive, as well as using the stuffing mix instead of using normal breadcrumbs, what people would usually use. There you go, we'll just mix them together. Look at that. It's a little pile of Christmas right there, isn't it? Right, on with the gloves again. Fresh pair. Okay, so we're gonna get roughly half of that for the burgers that we're gonna do in another video. Gonna add about half the mix into this, mix it in, have a look, see if it looks about right. If it looks like it can take more, we'll add more. Because don't forget guys, once you add, you can never take back. Okay, we're gonna go full hog. We're gonna add all of this. It's just gonna add the flavour, that Christmassy vibe going on there. This is gonna be amazing, yeah. Oh yeah. Right, let's get all that mixed in. Let them all get to know each other. Make sure they're all getting on all right. That's it. Put it in the fridge for about 20 minutes, ½ hour. Just let the flavours get in there. We've got the mix, we've got the egg wash, we've got the stuffing mix. We've not done anything with it, it's just dry stuffing mix. Star of the show right there, the eggs, we need them. So you can go for a runny yolk with your boiled eggs. To do that, what you need to do is put them in the pan of cold water. As soon as that starts getting a rolling boil, get that timer on. 3.5 minutes, boom, get them out, straight in the ice. That way you'll get a nice runny yolk. If that's what you prefer, that's how you're gonna get that result. So, let's get the gloves on. Little trick with this is to use cling film just to flatten that meat out and then lift it around, flatten it out. You want to try and get it as even as possible. Obviously you want it to cook even, so we're going to try and get that nice and even. Basically, pull that up and around like so, so it meets all the edges. Oh, look at that ball of Christmas goodness right there, guys. So just try and pinch that shut. There you go. Your Scotch egg is nearly done. Normally what would be breadcrumbs, stuffing mix. Oh man. Being careful. Trying to keep that round ball shape. There you go guys, that is only going to be good. You just cannot go wrong with that mix for a Christmas treat. Okay guys, I clearly forgot the egg wash there, but I just proved to you guys that you don't have to use egg wash if you don't want to. So let's try that again. Okay, so there you have it. Number 2. We're going to use the egg wash this time because that's what it's there for. But look at that. Oh yes. So in the egg wash, right, in the egg wash, and then let's get that goodness all over it. In it goes with the egg wash, and you just repeat. There you go. So hindsight is a lovely thing, and really thinking about it, we should have just encased all the eggs first in the sausage meat, put them to one side, then egg washed them all together, then got them coated in the breadcrumbs one after the other. Okay guys, so here we have it. Look at the... Get out. Hate them. What's that all about? Let's get back to business. Let's get one of these sliced open and have a look how we did. Mate, they are smelling amazing and it is no joke. Okay, so we deep fried these for 10.5 minutes because they were so big. We had to go a little bit longer than what you would normally do with something like this. They're quite thick in the respect of the sausage and turkey mince meat. I mean, look at them. They smell amazing. They're sounding juicy. It's looking slightly undercooked. There. Bollocks. Oh, listen to that. We got the crunch, we got the crunch. I wish there was smell-o-YouTube or smell-o-vision. Mate, honestly, they smell amazing. So we deep fried them for 10.5 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius, which is around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We then put them in the oven, purely because they are so big. I did go a little bit over the top with the thickness of the meat around the egg, but hey, come on. That's just gonna make it even better. So we baked them then in the oven till they hit 80 degrees Celsius. Look at the juice. Look at the juice on that. I mean, turkey is normally dry. It's difficult to get turkey and cook it moist. That's why we added the sausage meat as well as flavour. It helped with the moisture as well, so. Oh, the great reveal. Oh yes. We didn't quite nail the runny yolk, but as I say, we needed to make sure these were cooked. But I mean, look at them. That smells amazing. You've got the cranberry in there. You can see it's all mixed in well with the chestnut. Well, there's Christmas right there in a Scotch egg. What can I say? It's pretty hot, but let's have a go. Genuinely, you got to try these, guys. You get a bit of sweetness from the cranberry. You taste the chestnut in there as well. You know, to have that stuffing mix on the outside rather than just normal breadcrumbs. That's also got cranberry and chestnut in it too. They're amazing, absolutely amazing. Like I say, if you do them like we did, really thick, definitely stick them in the oven just to get them to that temp that you need, just to be safe. Christmas eggs. So if you like the video, please remember to like and subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, it doesn't cost a penny, it's totally free, helps the channel massively, helps us grow as a channel. And yeah, I'll see you when I see you. Cheers. Oh mate, these are awesome. Do you want one? The flavour. It's that cranberry. It just makes those twice cooked.
That's quite big, isn't it?
Whoa, that was pretty cool. No Brussels sprouts were harmed in the making of this video, just so you guys know. I love Brussels sprouts. I did tell a fib. Anyway, the video to making Brussels sprouts 2 different ways for Christmas is up there. If you're watching this on your mobile phone, it won't show the video. You'll have to go and find it on our channel. So with that being said, guys, hope you enjoyed the video on those Scotch eggs. They were awesome. I'll catch you later. I'll see you when I see you.